Hi, my name is Zoe. I'm your mentor. Together, we'll frame the perfect answer to the scenario. Using the words which will create the maximum positive impact. We'll also touch upon the words you should avoid. To address this scenario, you have to focus on empathetic communication and strategic questioning. Display of empathy helps reassure client that you understand their concerns. Strategic questioning will help you pinpoint the areas of the concern. A perfect opening statement could be, I understand, there might be some adjustments now that I've taken over. My priority is to ensure a smooth transition and understand any concerns you might have. The questions can be divided into 3 categories. First is general questions to gauge overall satisfaction. For example, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your overall satisfaction with our services since the transition? Second, targeted questions to pinpoint specific issues. For example, are there any specific aspects of the service where you've noticed a change? Third, relationship-focused questions. For example, what's the best way for us to keep you informed and updated? Some words that you may avoid are not allowed, our policy, wishing you the best.